Okay, I've been working really hard on the garden over there, and today I want to take a little break, clean up all the mess on the property. But first thing this morning, I want to attempt to build a bat house, and I would like to put about 6 of them around the property, and I'm going to make them out of logs, and this is what I come up with. This log is sort of oval. So if I take it and I put a cut over this way, and a cut this way, and a cut that way, all the way down it, I can make some flat boards going across long ways and build a bat house. So let's see how it goes. Maybe I should just start it this way. Go get my leg guards. If you don't put leg guards on, you'll get a lot of sawdust in your boots. Okay, that should keep all the sawdust from going in my boots. Okay, this is going to be the hard part because I got 1 inch and I want to go all the way down. So let's see what happens. Okay, there it is, nice and flat. They'll be able to crawl right up it. One inch all the way down. 1 inch. A little lip there I'll have to knock off. But that looks good. I didn't have to use such a big piece. I could have used a smaller piece. Oh. Okay, so it's going to go like this. Flat on top, slanted on the bottom. I'll leave a space here and then a space there. They'll be able to get on and they'll crawl up and they'll have a good place. There should be able to be a couple hundred in here on each layer. Making sure the oil comes out. Came out pretty good. Oh, here it is. That's the back side of it. Whew. Okay, to finish the bat house, I need to cut some strips, and they need to be 3/4 of an inch, and that's to give the space in. So I'm going to go ahead and see how this looks. Okay, those are going to provide the spacing. I'm going to go get one more. Okay, I think I'm going to give this one more slice. Okay, I think it's done. Bats could land on here and go in, land on here and go in, land on here and go in, land on here and go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 high. I still got to put a top on it. But there you go, natural. Just like a tree in the woods, non-perfect. And I hope that's what they're going to look for. And hopefully it works. If it works, I'll make some more.